Hey parents, in this video we'll show how bounce pages from Savvis can help you help your child with their math homework. Let's get started. Open up a new web browser window on your phone or your computer, as long as it has a camera, and navigate to the site bouncepages.savvisrealize.com. Allow access to your camera and then snap a picture of your child's homework page. If it doesn't automatically scan, just tap the camera button. This opens up a quick video reviewing the associated concept. Pretty simple, right? Any K-5 student edition and additional practice workbook page will work. For students in grades 6 through 8, look for the BP icon on the page. The video is from Savvis's vast resource library, so don't be alarmed if another state or year appears in the title. And that's all there is to it. Don't forget to bookmark the site or add it to your home screen for easy access next time. Thanks for watching.